In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a free shipping progress bar to your Shopify store quickly and easily using an app. A free shipping bar can be a great way to incentivize your customers to add more to their carts, ultimately increasing your average order value. So let's dive right in and see how this can be set up seamlessly with just a few steps. First, you'll want to navigate to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're there, go ahead and click on Apps. This is where you manage all the third-party applications that can help enhance your store's functionality. At the top of this page, you'll find the option to visit the Shopify App Store. Click on that, and you'll be directed to the Marketplace, where you'll find a wide array of apps designed to integrate with your Shopify store. Once you're in the App Store, head over to the search bar and type in something like Free Shipping Bar. Now, as you look through the results, you'll see various apps designed to add this functionality to your store. Take your time to review the options available. Consider evaluating them based on factors like customer reviews, features, and any additional benefits they might offer. Once you've found an app that suits your needs, go ahead and select it. After reviewing its details and ensuring it aligns with your goals, click on the button to install the app. You might be prompted to approve certain permissions. The app needs these to add the shipping bar to your store, so grant them as necessary. After installation, navigate to the app's settings. This is usually where you can tailor the shipping progress bar to fit the aesthetic and functional needs of your store. Begin by entering your free shipping threshold. For example, if you offer free shipping on orders over $50, input that into the threshold field. This figure will be used by the app to gauge the customer's progress as they shop. Next, it's time to customize the appearance of your bar. Most apps will give you choices in terms of color to match your branding, or whether you want it prominently displayed at the top of the page or subtly at the bottom. You can also decide where the bar should appear, whether on the header, the cart page, or even in the mobile view. Think about where your customers are most likely to notice it without disrupting their shopping experience. Once you're happy with how everything looks, be sure to save your settings. Now, it's crucial to test this out on your live store. Add a few products to your cart and observe how the progress bar behaves when the cart is empty, partway full, and when it reaches the specified threshold. Make sure it's visible and functioning as expected. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've added a persuasive free shipping progress bar to your Shopify store, potentially boosting your cart values and enhancing customer satisfaction.